Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, we will show you how to install the most important PC components step by step. First, we start with the motherboard. We are using the B850 motherboard, which connects all the components together. Hold it from the edges and gently place it on the box. Next comes the processor, which is the brain of the computer. In this build, we are using the Ryzen 590-600X, one of the most powerful CPUs on the market right now. Open the socket, carefully hold the CPU by the edges, align it with the arrow on the motherboard, place it gently, then close the socket. Done! Now for the storage. We are using Spatium M470. It does not greatly affect gaming performance, so you can choose any brand you like. Place it in its slot. Remove the protective sticker, then secure it. Next is the RAM, one of the easiest parts to install. We have two DDR5 sticks, Lexer Aries running at 6000 MHz. Insert the first stick in the correct direction and press evenly on both sides. Install the second stick the same way. Now we bring the case, which will hold all the components. Open it from the front and back to prepare for installation. Next, install the fans we bought for the case. Remove this bracket to mount the fans easily. Now place the motherboard inside the case and secure it with screws. Next is the power supply, which delivers power to all components. We are using the MSI MPG 850G, rated at 850 watts. Install in place and secure the 4 screws. Now for the cables. Connect each cable to its proper place and route them to the power supply. Repeat the process for the remaining cables. Next comes the liquid cooler, the MSI MAG core liquid. Make sure you keep all included parts. Remove the top panel of the case. Secure it with the screws. Now remove these screws to install the pump head onto the CPU. Apply a suitable amount of thermal paste. Not too little, not too much. Remove the protective sticker, place the cooler, and tighten the screws. Now for the most important component after the CPU, the graphics card, the beauty of every gaming PC. We are using the RX 9070 XT with 16 gigabytes of memory. Carefully remove it from the box. Remove these expansion slot covers. Then install the GPU and secure it with screws. Connect the power cables. And here is the final result. What do you think? Write your thoughts in the comments.